In this tutorial, you'll create a mood board composition in Photoshop using custom shapes to organize visuals creatively. Start with a large rectangular canvas. Draw multiple rectangles and squares of different sizes to act as placeholders for images. Insert circle or ellipse shapes for icons or decorative elements. Use the Type tool to add short notes or titles near each image placeholder. Duplicate shapes behind and adjust opacity for depth. Arrange shapes asymmetrically while maintaining balance. Refine spacing to avoid clutter. Zoom out. The mood board now looks organized, dynamic, and visually inspiring.